Did you know that you can get paid for simply downloading apps to your iPhone or Android phone? Check it out. Or how about getting paid to listen to your favorite music? And I'm just getting started here. Hey, let's check in with my partner, Jono. He's actually on the other side of the globe right now in Bali, getting paid to exist. Here, let me switch my camera so we can connect with him.
Hey Tom, just getting some Starbucks here. Now, check this out.
That's pretty cool, but check this out. I just discovered this. Wait for it. Boom, baby.
Whoa, that's a new one. So you get paid for just passing that store?
Well, not just that one, my friend. Check it out. I got a Walmart coming up here. Hang on. I'm holding the phone here. Let's see if I can switch the mode. And wait for it. Boom.
That is so awesome. I love it.
I know, right? So this is for real, guys. Yes, you get paid for simply downloading apps to your iPhone or Android, or buying coffee and gas and groceries for yourself, and driving or walking past various stores and shops, and many other things that you do in your life anyways. You're basically getting paid just to exist.
Even if all you had to your name was a shirt on your back and a connection to the internet at your local library, this can bring you money fast. We're talking about the emergency income kit that we personally always have as a backup plan.
That's right. You see, even if you don't need money right now, life can be unpredictable. Wouldn't it be comforting to know that you'll always have an immediate way to start earning money right now from your phone whenever you need it? Or maybe you are in that situation right now where you need to bring in cash fast, in which case the emergency income kit is here to save the day for you. Now, in addition to the methods I already mentioned to make you money with your phone, the emergency income kit contains multiple additional earn from your phone methods, handpicked by us, proven profitable by us, that literally anyone can do, all with one single-minded intention: to generate money as soon as humanly possible without any experience or budget, straight from your phone quickly.
Yeah, these methods are designed to start putting cash in your pocket ASAP. Not weeks or days from now, but right away. Battle-tested, instant income methods with step-by-step directions for each one. You don't need a budget, experience, connections, or anything else. Simply crack open the emergency income kit, follow our newbie-friendly directions, and watch as money comes out the other end, whether you like it or not.
I think they're going to like it, Jono. But tell you what, why don't we, well, let me ask you, do you think we should show them a list right now of the things that they get to do for money from their phone?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay.
Good idea.
Get paid to download apps to your phone. Get paid for sharing your location while driving and walking around. Get money back for every single thing you buy in your life. Get paid to listen to music. Get paid to play phone games. Get free products sent to you and get paid for testing them out. Get paid to watch videos on your phone. Get paid to share your opinions. And there are tons more fun methods like that in the emergency income kit, all with step-by-step directions, all with no experience or budget needed to get you paid simply by using your phone. And very important, you will not be doing the one thing that introduces risk of not making money, which is building your own business. You see, with the emergency income kit, there is no business building, which means there's zero risk of failure. You simply get your phone out, follow our directions, and you get paid. No complications, no unknown factors, no learning curve. End of story. So if you want a surefire way to earn money whenever you need it from your phone, then the emergency income kit definitely has your back.
But not for long. Since some of these methods are prone to saturation, the emergency income kit won't be available forever. We're watching things very closely, and once it gets to a point where we feel that members aren't making as much money as they should, then we'll close it down for further sales of the emergency income kit.
In other words, if you want in on this, guys, if you want to start earning today with our crazy profitable system, don't wait another second. There's a button below this video. Click it to secure your emergency income membership before we close this baby down for good. your wallet will thank you for it.
Yeah, absolutely will, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you inside of our members area.
Thank you, guys. See you on the inside.